Hello ladies, and welcome to my natural hair delight. Today I'm going to show you how to do the crown twist. Now the last tutorial that I did was not the crown twist, it was just a twist wrap. I had to call it a totally different name because it is not the official crown twist. But today I'm going to show you how to do the official crown twist. And it is so easy, and it only lasts for it takes about it takes about maybe 5 minutes or less to do once you finish detangling your hair. So just make sure that you detangle your hair, and yeah, so let's get started. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to have some kind of small part in the back, not directly in the middle, but somewhere like kind of close to the right side or the left side. I do mine on the right side so that I can be able to get my twist all the way wrapped around. So let me see if I can find my part. I took my crown twist down so I can show you all how I did it. Okay. And it only takes about 5 minutes or less to do once you finish detangling your hair. And it's really simple. So you once you find your part in the back, I don't know if it's like an official part in the back or not, but I'm just going to start right here. And what you want to do is simply just want to start twisting. Let me see if I can. Okay, so you start twisting upward. I like to point my twist upward. So the first strand, this is my first strand, and this is my second strand. And then I'm just gonna twist. Okay. I think the back is the hardest part because you can't really like reach the back as much as you can reach the front. So I'm just like making a twist, like I'm forcing a twist on my hair so I can really get a good grip of it. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing this. Now once you get a good grip of it, you just want to keep twisting and make sure that you're close to the edge as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't want to try too hard on your twist. You just want to keep twisting. And that is how you're going to get a nice looking crown twist. Just keep twisting. This is my favorite hairstyle because it doesn't take a lot of time. It's really cute and elegant, and I can wear it as soon as I finish washing my hair. Like I don't have to worry about drying it or anything like that. I can just wear it as is. Excuse my little son. He's with his daddy right now. I'm trying to make a tutorial for y'all. It's really hard when you have a 2-month-old baby who is constantly demanding you to feed him. So I just fed him, but I think it's time to feed him a little bit more because it's like he's kind of fed but kind of not. So yeah. So this is how you do the crown twist. Simply twist the rest of your hair down and then take it to the back and pin it down. So you can pin it on top of the twist. And you can tuck it in as well, but I want to make sure that my twist is pinned down. Okay, Ben, I'm coming. I'm coming, son. All right, so this is what a crown twist looks like. I just pinned my hair down, the parts that were sticking out, and it only took me maybe 3 minutes to do, if that. So this is what a crown twist looks like. And there you have it. So thank you ladies for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook. And if you have any questions on how to take care of your natural hair, please inbox me, let me know, and I will answer to the best of my ability. And I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Say hey, everybody. Say hey. Hey, you just got through crying. Oh no, you're still this is not the end. This is just the beginning of how you feel. Yeah. Okay, is it time to eat? It's time to eat? Yeah, because you're drooling and everything. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. Thank you, ladies, for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.